Okay, so hello guys, hello once again. I just opted to create as many videos as I can today, and I feel like today is just an amazing day. I just feel like I'm jovial and I just have the energy to do more. And when you have the energy to do more, take advantage of that opportunity. Okay, so how much knowledge do you need, or how much experience do you need to become a software developer? Oh, it's not like I have a job, but based with how I've really tried to be a software developer, I really feel like there is more that one needs to become a software engineer, because it's not like you're going to consume this information in one day and you're like, I'm gonna do this stuff. Like, I'm just a full stack dev, I'm working on the front end, I'm working on the back end. I used to think about this stuff when I was getting started, and I was like, I'm just watching one tutorial, and I just want to do everything within that, just by watching that one tutorial. And I realized at the end of the day that things don't really work that way. They work in a different way. And honestly, if you really ask me today, how do things work? I'll really tell you that, oh, trust me, you will be disappointed many times, but you don't have to give up, okay? You just have to keep on trying every now and then, all right? Because you're not the first person to try things and they're not working, and you just need to challenge yourself. Okay, so how do you get started? Or how am I doing it? Or how am I learning how to code? It's not like I'm a software developer, but I'm learning how to code. So I do believe that I'm a front-end software developer. But I normally refer myself as a tech influencer, as a podcaster, as a front-end dev, junior front-end dev. Yeah. So you can learn how to code by contributing to open source. And if you're looking forward to on maybe how to get started contributing to open source, I've got a link on the description that's gonna help you learn how to contribute on open source on GitHub. And through that way, you realize that you're learning something, because you're kind of consuming some positive information that's not just information, but information that's really adding value to you. And you realize that as time goes by, you're making progress with information that you're really acquiring. And I just feel like I have to talk more about two things. One of them is coding is not hard, how people pursue it, all right? And the second thing is you really have to keep on trying. Never give up at some point. You're like, I've seen a couple of friends trying how to do stuff and they're not successful in it, and you feel like, oh, I should just, oh, no, it's really, just prepare yourself mentally. Like, this stuff, it's really not easy, because actually, there's nothing easy at the end of the day, all right? So, you just have to learn how to do something. And I think by failing as many times as you can, will really prove it to you that you still have more to work on, both on improving on yourself, learning new skills, doing new things, trying new stuff, everything. Okay. And another thing is just engaging in a community, and you're like, oh, I thought I knew this stuff, but until you join an hackathon, you're like, oh, I don't know stuff. So until next time, see you in my next video. Boom. Salutes.